Right. Hello and welcome to my stream again. Here I am again. I thought right, I'm gonna go live. So I thought right, get myself a drink and let's go live. And here we are. And for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Michael Coates and I'm the founder and creator of the website, thesewingguru.com. And we're going to talk about all of that in a moment. But first of all, if you are interested and you like these live streams and you want to be notified whenever we go live, just click the link that says receive all live notifications and you'll receive a link, or you'll receive a little message from Facebook whenever we go live. So if you're interested, do that. And also as well, please share us, because it would then tell everybody about the Sewing Guru, and people who want to learn to sew would really benefit them. It really would. So just share us to all friends, family, all people that you know that like sewing, and that would really help them out as well. Now, I'd like to say thesewingguru.com is not a young website. We've been going 11 years now, so it is a long time, and we are very established, and we've got a lot of people asking questions. And one of the main questions is, what sort of content do you get on the site? Now, basically, I've got to say, it covers everything. Now, I've got a board here that I've created, and this here just shows you just a small bit of what the site entails. Now, we have got some great offers on the site at the moment, and as you'll notice with this video, we've got some great links as well for free Etips that you can just download completely free, and also a free membership to the website as well. I will go over that in a moment, but I just want to say about the Sewing Guru, how big and how much content there is in there. We've got beginners courses, advanced lessons, we've got garment collections, clothing alteration section, a massive clothing alteration section. We've got pet wear, we have a crafting course, we've got a mini embroidery course, and lots of other videos as well. It's absolutely massive, the site, and it really is a great resource if you want to learn to sew. It really is. Now, I've just got to say that we've created this free membership, and it gives you access to part of the site, and it gives you a look-in, so to speak, of what you get if you were a free member of the site itself. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go live on the internet now here. Now, you can see here, this is the Sewing Guru website. Now, if you want to go for a free membership, just click the free membership there, and it will take you to this page here. You put in your full name, your email, and where you source here, and then you click register. And when you've done that, you then check your email, and you basically get your login details in your inbox. Now, if you don't see your login details in your inbox, always remember to check your junk or spam folders, because it'll probably be there if you can't find it in your inbox. So don't worry if you can't find it, check there, and even if you can't see that or anything, just email us on the site. Just email us. But like I said, I'm going to go back to the Sewing Guru. I really want to show you what you get as a full member. So we're going to go to the video index here. Now, as you can see here, all of these here, so we've got the complete sewing course for the beginner, all of these here, 21 exercises, 10 advanced lessons, there is advanced lessons here, the dart, the pipe pocket, well pocket, and so on and so forth. We've got a sewing machine course for the beginner, so if you don't know how to start and where to start with a sewing machine, there's a complete course there. We have all of these complete garment collections. So there's the tailored trousers, a tailored jacket, another type of tailored jacket there, waistcoat, gents shirt, dress skirt, ladies trousers, all of that. We've got pattern construction in there as well, how to measure with worksheets. These are downloadable PDF worksheets. We have extended collections here, and as you can see, there's all of these as well here. extended collections, jeans, ladies tailored jacket. And what these are, the extended collections, is this covers everything right from the very beginning, measuring, pattern construction, making a toile, to the actual garment makeup as well. We have here accessories collections. So we've got the day cravat, standard cravat, the collar bun, bow tie, and so on and so forth. All of these come with patterns and worksheets, which again are printable. You can print them off. We have a massive sewing alterations section here. Tailor jacket alterations, coat alterations, trousers, shirts, all of those are there. We have a massive pet wear section as well, and we have a large sewing craft section there as well. So as you can see, that is massive. It's huge. It took me quite a while to sort of reel off very quickly what is included with a membership of this to the Sewing Guru. So if you're interested and you're not too sure, get your free membership. Now there is a link next to this video, and it will take you straight to the free membership section. Click that, register, and get yourself in, have a look, and if you like the site, which I know you will, and you're guaranteed to learn sewing or get out of it what you need, guaranteed to get that, sign up, become a full member, because it really is well worth it. I've got people, lots and lots of people on the site, and they've been there dedicated on the site for years, not months, years and years. We've had some people that have been on the site for about 5-6 years, something like that, and they're still members today, and I've got to thank them so much for their loyalty. But it just proves that they have so much more to learn, and it takes that long. The site, it really is that big. It's a massive sewing resource, and if you need to know something, it is there. It's there. You can just dip in, out. It's like, think of it like an encyclopedia, or like I said, a resource for something that you would need to do with sewing. You can dip in, you can learn how to do that, because it's all video based. It's a great learning system. Dip in, learn it, and then go out again, and you can log in whenever you like. You know, if you get a 12 months membership, you can log in for 12 months whenever you want, 24/7. It's there, it's available, and like I say, it's all video based, which is definitely the best way to learn, in my opinion. Physically seeing someone learning and, well, showing you how to do it is the best way to learn, because you can physically see it happening rather than reading it from books. I mean, when I started to learn to sew, it was all on like books and what I learned in college, and just basically experimenting with garments, taking them apart and having a look. That's how I learned. There was nothing on the internet. Now I tell you something, if the Sewing Guru was there when I first started sewing, it would be just the best thing for me. I would have loved that, and it would have brought me so much forward, and I would have learned so much quicker. I mean, it's taken me 3 decades to get where I am, and it's a long time of sewing. So I'm very experienced in sewing, but I absolutely love it as well. I really do. Like I said, the Sewing Guru is a fantastic resource for sewing. So get yourself a free membership. Doesn't cost anything, just cost your email. Just get your free membership. Now also as well, in the links we've got here free e-tips. So if you want these free e-tips, yeah, there's a complete book here, all printable. They are free, and we've got the link as well. I'm just going to go live again, show you what to do. Here we are. So click the link. It will take you to this page here, and there's me. There's me. And click to start. And what happens is a drop down. Oh, just click to start. A drop down menu will come up. There we go. Put your email in there. Put your name in there. Click here. Claim your exclusive e-tips today. And what happens? It will take you to another page where you can download your e-tips. 100% free. Doesn't cost anything. It is all free. So get your e-tips as well. And like I say, the e-tips are very valuable. They really are. And you can print them off, keep them forever, and keep on going back again like a sewing resource. Now, like I say, people are emailing me and they're saying, you know, what does it include? You know, will I be able to make tailored trousers? Will I be able to make a tailored jacket? Will I be able to make a waistcoat? And the answer really to every single question that I get asked on the internet is yes, you can. We show you how to do that. And not only that, I have created the system, the Sewing Guru system, which is the easiest way to be able to make any garment that you want. And I show you how to do that, how to manipulate patterns in a special way, where you can reuse your patterns over and over. And it really works. The system just works, you know. And if there is something on the site that you're not sure about, email us and we'll get back to you and we will answer your question if you're a full member. So you've got to be a full member if you want 24/7 customer service, and we'll answer any question regarding the site itself, sewing, tailoring, crafting, anything that you need help with, what kind of fusings, canvases that you need, needles that you might need. And like I say, you know, a lot of people are real beginners and they want to start to learn to sew right from the very beginning, and we take you go right from the very start to, you know, I want to get a sewing machine, but I'm not too sure how to even go about doing that. Don't worry, we show you how to do that as well. So right from the very beginning, and again, it's all video based. It's all video based, and like I say, it is the best way to learn. So just wanted to go on, come on live, say hi to everyone, and talk about the Sewing Guru, what you get. And like I say, it is a sewing resource that you will not be disappointed with if you sign up. You won't be. Believe me, it's worth signing up. So get your membership, get in there, start sewing, and you will not be disappointed. So I've got to say, thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next live stream. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye for now.